Big breaking news coming in. The mystery of Innova car used by the accused after abandoning explosive-laden car near Antillia has been solved. This is in the Mukesh Ambani bomb scare. According to Maharashtra ATS sources, or the anti-terror squad sources, the Innova car belongs to Mumbai Police Crime Branch CIU unit. It is to be noted here that Sachin Vaze, who has been arrested by the NIA, was posted at CIU unit until transferred to a special branch. In fact, initially it was CIU who was probing the case. Remember, on 25th of Feb, the suspect left gelatin sticks and a threatening letter in a Scorpio car near Antillia and then left in an Innova car. The Innova was spotted at Mulund Toll Naka, leaving Mumbai and entering Thane. Another interesting fact here is that both Sachin Vaze and Mansukh Hiren, the owner of the Scorpio car, both are residents of Thane. So direct complicity of Mumbai cops seems to have emerged from these facts that are coming in, from these source-based information that is coming in at the moment. Saurav Akhtania is joining us live for the very latest. Saurav, from all this information that we're picking up from sources of the NIA, looks like they've pretty much solved the mystery of this Innova car that was used by the accused, Hiren Mansukh, and now, of course, he's no longer alive. And, of course, the complicity of Sachin Vaze comes into question here.
Absolutely, Chaiti, and all this cannot be just a coincidence, and that is what the NIA is investigating with the help of Maharashtra ATS, because at the time when this Scorpio car, which was parked outside Mukesh Ambani's residence Antillia, in which the explosives and the threat letter was kept, there was one more car which was accompanying this particular Scorpio car, and that was an Innova car. Now, what happened is, Chaiti, after this car was abandoned at the Carmichael Road, the driver from the Scorpio car sat in the Innova car and left from the spot. Now, what happened is, later they passes through the Mulund Toll Naka, that is the exit point of Mumbai. It enters the Thane area, and after which there was no trace of this particular car. Let me tell you, several CCTV footage from Thane to Pune, Nashik, all were checked. Several police forces were involved, but the traces of Innova car was completely not traceable. Now, what the sources later learnt is that this particular car, Chaiti, the Innova car, was in fact used by the CIU unit. In fact, Sachin Vaze and his team of officials, the team of a CIU, was using this Innova car at several operations for solving the cases, unlike the very, very high profile cases. So this is the most questionable thing, that how much involvement of Mumbai police in this whole Ambani bomb scare case is. Now, let me give you more latest update, Chaiti, in this. The team of CIU officials, the officials who were accompanying Vaze, who accompanying him in several cases, solving several high-profile cases, have now reached NIA office in Mumbai. Just now, the latest information which we are getting is that the CIU officials of the Mumbai Crime Branch, the Mumbai police officials, have reached NIA office at Pedder Road, and now they too will be questioned, because the most important question is the crime scene. In the crime which the car was used was actually of Mumbai Police CI unit. This is the most prestigious unit, let me tell you, and this was the Sachin Vaze himself who was actually investigating the whole case, and now he himself get arrested in this case will be very important to see. Now, in some time from now, Chaiti, Sachin Vaze will be brought behind this court, particularly this is the Sessions Court, and he will be produced by the...
Alright, so he's going to be brought to the Sessions Court. Sachin Vaze's complicity is under scanner at the moment. Mumbai cops complicit or not? That remains to be the big question right here in the Ambani probe twist that is coming in. Explosive details being broken by my colleague Saurav Akhtania, live first here on India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.